Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can select video resolution, you can select sound source, you can set it to be mute, you can set it to mic or to system sound, and you can record touch interactions. So in order to start recording, just tap on this button once and recording starts after the countdown. So let's record something, some of our screen. You can stop recording by tapping on this red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the Screen Recorder album, and here it is. And here we can view our recording. Also we can stop recording by tapping. So let's record something. So we can share, edit or delete our recording from here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.